This is probably the team that I would say is the tightest and most connected off the court that I've had in 6 years. They truly enjoy one another. They truly care about one another.
We're just a family. We have great players. Whenever we're connected, it's kind of hard to beat us. I mean, yeah, as a kid, you dream of moments like this.
It means everything. It's the dreams comes true for me. Playing for the championship game, winning the championship, and having the opportunity to play in March Madness. That's awesome.
Their character has won the Big South championship, but it wasn't character alone. It was also the chemistry of this group. It's easy to just look at the results, but we always want to look at what was the cause that produced the effect. And I think it was character and chemistry.
I'm just happy that we all stayed together throughout the adversity, and Longwood is here. We did it.